For today's video, so me and my cousin are gonna play a two-player obby. It's called Pull a Friend. Right?
It's I'm the and I'm
Okay, so I'm the one that's gonna control.
you who to play this game. What's your guess? Bro, ow!
Sorry, I don't know how to play this game.
Dude, that's okay. Yep.
Bro, I can't. Oh my god. Okay, thanks for letting me see.
What?
Man! You just let us die.
Survive.
So this
Until we beat this
is gonna be a long video, guys.
Okay, so we're about to play again, guys.
So I'm gonna be the person. No. I'm gonna. Can I please be the person? No, I want to be the person. Please, can I be the person?
Please, be the person.
Okay, I'm gonna go here and say. Whoa! What was that? Checkpoint 1, yes. Here, Ellie. We're going on a trip with our friends.
Ow! Sorry.
Bro, stop breaking! Hey, don't pull the brake, okay? You're gonna. Wait. Can I try it again? Cause I got distracted, okay? Can I do the person again? Cause I got distracted. Okay? Okay. So what? Oh, the. Let's get it. This is gonna be a long video, guys. It's gonna be a long
Make
video.
sure you watch and subscribe this channel.
Yeah, get some popcorn, get a drink, like that.
And don't also forget
Break,
to
Ellie. Break.
don't forget also like and subscribe. This is gonna be a long video. I'm so sorry.
Break! Okay, now you're the thing. This is gonna be a long video. Guys.
I know we heard that.
Hey. Go, Pear! Oh.
Okay? No. We're gonna slow down.
Okay.
Great.
Okay, just go slow. We're gonna die. Go slow. Okay, I'm gonna brake. Because we might die. Go slow. Okay, go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. Okay.
Go break.
Wait! Oh! I pressed brake!
Why are you holding it?
Can I please see that? What?
Can you please?
What? Why are you saying please for? Okay, I'm in.
Okay.
I'm in!
Bro,
I'm in! Oh, sorry.
You don't?
Why is your phone so hot?
No, it's not.
Sorry, I had to mute because my cousin was talking. It's like some gibberish. Sorry, Ed. Grab some popcorn, guys. Right?
Yeah.
Where should we? Hey, I'm gonna be the player now. Let's go. Gotta break, okay? Gotta break. Fast. Ooh, you doing a little greedy. You doing a little greedy, dude. Break, break.
I don't have break. I don't have break.
You hold it. Okay, now don't break. Wait. Why am I doing the dolphin dance? What am I doing? Okay, don't break, okay? You're gonna make me die. Bro, I said don't break. Break. Okay. Bro, that person just pushed us. The person just pushed us. Yes. You can do whatever you want.
Dada. Nico. Dad.
I'm breaking.
Okay, go.
What?
Just happened? Wait, I need to be the what?
Be the player again. I don't know how what. What just happened, guys? What just happened? Did you see that?
Yeah.
Now move! Oh, this is gonna take an hour. See, we're already 7 minutes in. Break. I already.
Nope.
I was about to fall, so that's why I break. Go a little faster. Yeah, like that. I'm breaking. No, I'm not. Go. Whoa! I can't. Jump! Go, you got this. You got this. Nice. I'm breaking.
You just need to be careful.
Okay, we need to stop right there. We need to stop! Stop. We gotta stop first. Ooh, why am I falling? Go! Yeah, go! No! Don't go. No!
Can I be afraid? I just go faster.
Okay.
Please.
I thought that was the car. Sorry. This is gonna be a long video.
No. Say walay, gang. Say walay.
What do you mean? Why are you saying say wallahi? Do you even know what that means?
Oh, we need to slow down.
Ooh, I just did a just. Okay, don't touch that freaking thing. I said don't touch it. Stop. I said don't, because I said don't touch it. Oh my god. You see this dude, chat? I'll be the player, okay? Okay. Let me show you how it's done. Break. Go. Go. Break. I'm gonna push you. Break! Oh no. Break. Hold it. I say don't break. Break!
You said it too late.
Okay.
Yo, I just got. Okay, I'm not be the player. Okay. I'm so loud. Done.
We're already 10 minutes in and we still haven't even checked one. We still haven't completed sector 1.
So far, we're doing good.
Bro, I already broke up.
Break!
I'm breaking.
Okay, don't go in the thing. Break! You were so lucky.
Oh, you almost touched this sign thing. Oh my god, I just touched it. Bro!
You can destroy this.
I mean, you can destroy this.
Wait.
I'm breaking. Let me do it.
You're gonna make us
Break! I'm already trying to break. Ellie, you're the one that's gonna break first. Break it! Okay, don't break it now. Don't break it, I said. Break! Okay, I'm break. No. There we go. Break! Break it! Okay! Finally, we're here. We're back. Why are you not saying anything? Why are you not saying anything?
We just need to be the green light.
Bro! What?
What did you fall?
I don't know. It was just. I was just doing that. What are you doing?
Let me go.
Remember, sama kayo sa akin? Tindahan.